Morning, sir. Ayaw! 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 Ayaw!
Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romales. No joke. No joke. Nagdilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
Rental of transport vehicles, rentals and Sa next question ko po, sa date ng liquidation report, date na lang to date na lang ng liquidation report ng OVP, Madam Chair. Para sa period ng December 21 to 31, 2022, sinubmit ito noong January 10, 2023. But the certification date was January 10, 2022. At ninotarize ito ng January 16, 2023. Maaari po bang ipaliwanag ito ng OVP, Madam Chair?
Madam Vice President.
Madam Chair, I will forgo the opportunity to defend the OVP 2025 budget proposal by question and answer. I will leave it to the House of Representatives to decide on the 2025 budget.
Honorable Rosas.
Dates, Madam Chair. So ayaw tayo sagutin at sa harap ng publiko. Ang publiko po ay may karapatang malaman ito, kaya po tayo nagka-question kaugnay dito, Madam Chair. This is about transparency and accountability, and it doesn't exempt the office of the Vice President, no, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Yes, Madam Vice President.
she may not like my answer. She may not like how I answer. She may not like the content of my answer. But I am answering. I do not have to answer to her. If I want to answer to the people,
Yes, we note that, Madam Vice President.
If I want
You
to
may
answer to the people,
You may proceed, Honorable Rosas.
yes, Madam Chair,
Madam
we
Chair,
are
kailangan
already
pong
cooperating with the
At
Supreme
tama,
Court
Madam
cases
Chair, ang
and the
dokumentong
Commission on
ipinapasa sa
Audit.
opisyal ng gobyerno, Madam Chair. I believe yun po ang kailangan natin gawin, sa isang simpleng mamamayan, kapag
Madam
nagkamali ka ng kahit isa sa
Diba?
board na sasagutin,
Please wait
Madam
to be
Chair.
acknowledged. Yes, Honorable Rosas, please
Yes,
proceed.
nagpapasa tayo
Diba,
ng
ma'am?
application. Kailangan tama ang nakalagay,
Kung hindi
Madam
na
Chair.
naman